تاسو چې عجیب ښکاره کما چې دا ځوان خپل د خور حفاظت به کوي ځکه چې مور کار کوي او دا به انشاءالله ماښام به ورته په غاړې ویستی شي مشکل نه دی او انشاءالله به د خپل د خور حفاظت کوي دا ځوانېږي د خپل خور حفاظت به کوي ته وګوره که نه کمرې ته خیر دی زه ته انګلیسي کوم ښه Assalamu alaikum. As you guys know that we are visiting Nuristan province, which is a core border to China, and it's a really remote place in Afghanistan. And there's something I want to show you interesting. There's a little guy who has to care his little sister till evening, I don't know what time. He can put her down, but the responsibility is that he has to take care of her until the mom is finished with her work. And this is the definition of simplicity and where you can gain prosperity, tranquility, and as well as peace. That's called the peace of mind. I believe materialism will never give you anything else. But real nature, which we are experiencing right now, is a blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And you should visit it too.